Snapchat lets you interact with friends with Snap by sharing photographs, videos, voice messages, and chat features. However, if you mistakenly sent a snap to someone you were not supposed to, then you can delete a sent snap on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to delete a sent snap on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Snapchat on your device. Click on the chat icon at the bottom bar. Tap on the particular person you want to delete a snap of. Long tap on the snap you want to delete. Tap on Delete. Tap on OK to confirm it. Again tap on Delete. There you go. This simple step will show you how to delete a sent snap on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.